वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हजे कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकी आनी ह्यो जाण आसा आमच्यो गोंयच्यो पावसाच्यो नुस्तें दॅट इज गौश्यो and this has been given to us especially to mom by our big bro and my big sister-in-law, so elder brother and elder sister-in-law. So I'm going to make curry out of it and fry it. So आता आमी हेजी कोडी करूया गोशांची. सो हांवें हितूंतले बोडकां घेतल्या आनी हे थोडे पीसीस घेतल्या. ओके, बरी रुचीची जावपाक. So I've taken this around some heads of, that is 4 heads, because it was 4 and few pieces, and we'll make curry out of it with coconut juice also. So mostly what happens, like when we go and take a tender coconut, sometimes it is not tender and it has got katli, we call it, like you get that not tenderish coconut inside, so you get this size. So what I have done, I had taken 2 tender coconuts, so out of that half I am using for grinding together, and of one I removed juice. Okay, so this is, you can use your normal coconut, but I am using this tender coconut because tender coconut like this, if it is very tender and then it is okay, but this much to eat. So some people make different things out of it. I am making curry out of it. So, and then we need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, then 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Then these are our Goan chilies. So according to your heat or spiciness you add. I have added around, because this Ghoshi, that is milky fish, is always sweeter side, and you get it in Monsoon in Goa. Around 15 I have taken, you can reduce or you can increase. Then 3 flakes of garlic and this much of ginger and 1 onion. So we have to grind this to a fine paste. Okay, for this I have applied salt and have kept. Then we need 1 more onion to saute and 1 small tomato also to saute. So let's do it. And this much of tamarind, 1 small ball of tamarind. If any seed is there, then take it out, or you can soak for the best. So I have taken 1 onion and you finely chop this to saute it with very less oil, or you can do it without oil. So if anybody wants to fry the onion with oil, you can do it, but I am doing this without oil. So this is water, let it get evaporate. Then on induction, then it is curry mode. So now we will add our onion without oil and just fry this slowly. So once the color changes, then we will add our tomatoes. No oil at all. the onions are fried, and now we will add the tomatoes. Same way, fry this till the tomatoes become soft. Then I have some chilies. I will add this now only. Green chilies, and some are Goan Peri-Peri or bird chilies. Now we will add a masala. Water we will add accordingly. We'll add water. So around 2 cups of water. So एका खतखतो येवनी मागीर आमी नुस्तें घालया आनी मागीर रोस. So now we will add our fish. And we will add our salt accordingly. We add our salt. Just for 2-3 minutes, let us get cooked the fish. Then we'll add our coconut juice. So now our fish is cooked, because fish doesn't take much time to cook. Now we will add our coconut. तर आता आम्ही आमचो रोस घालूया. टेस्टी. तर ही जावन आसा आमची गोवन आमची गोवशेची कोडी तयार आसा. आनी नुस्तें बरें शिजलें. आतां आमी ही गॅस बंद करून घेता. आनी मानता तुमी सगल्यांक ही आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली. आनी ते बी हे हांवें आर्सोलाचो नाल्ल आसता पळय तो घेतलेलो. So hope you will all enjoy this tender coconut Goan milky fish curry and enjoy with rice. Hope all will enjoy this. Thank you so much, and thank you my brother Stephen and sister-in-law Pauline for this lovely fish what you all came and gave to us. Especially this my mom and my mind, they both used to love these Ghoshis. And in rainy season, they used to always get it from Kalangut market. Thank you. Devare karo.
And it's ready, Goan Ghoshi Curry. Enjoy.